All right, guys, so we've got our compound butter that we made. Let's take a look, see how it came out. Oh man, that's beautiful. So we'll be able to use that for any of our seafood dishes. It is nice. It smells wonderful too. We'll be able to use it for any seafood, for chicken, for vegetables. This would even be a nice finishing butter for some steak. We'll see you next time. All right, hi guys, we've got some salmon here and I'm gonna show you how to remove the skin. One of the easiest ways to do it is to start at one end and you can kind of flip it over and cut underneath the skin a little bit. Then what we're gonna do is raise that flesh and grab the skin and let the knife work underneath the flesh against the skin. And you pull the skin and kind of let the knife cut it away from the flesh of the fish. And if you do that, you should get a nice clean piece of salmon or any fish. It'll work with any of your fish that you're gonna skin. And then you can cook it from there. All right guys, so now we're gonna cook the salmon. We've got a little propane burner and a skillet. To that, we're gonna add a little olive oil, maybe about a tablespoon. And we're gonna season our fish, a little salt, a little fresh cracked pepper. And then we're just gonna go straight into the oil. Again, a little salt, a little pepper, straight into the oil. Trivet, here we have some beautiful salmon. And here we have some salmon. All right, so let's give that salmon a taste. We'll get a little lemon on there. Oh yeah, that skin is still kind of crispy. Oh man, that is fantastic. I hope you try this dish and I hope your family loves it. Thanks for watching.